Okay, coming up on 6:37, you know, especially by watching this show, that Philadelphia is dealing with a record number of murders, carjackings, and gun crimes. So District Attorney Larry Krasner spoke about the gun crisis yesterday, and Steve Healy has more on what he had to say.
Well, the other matching record high is the number of people going out and arming themselves, and it's because of the headlines and the videos like these that we've been showing you on a regular basis. In fact, the latest person shooting back at somebody shooting at them, or in this case, shooting his brother working next to him in their marketplace store on Arad Street, was a brother who legally had a gun, who shot a 28-year-old guy who had shot his brother and critically wounded him. This was just the latest in a string of cases where we've told you. Remember the guy that was driving the Infiniti, the Lyft driver, in the middle of the afternoon, had a woman in the back seat, and these carjackers bumped his Infiniti, and you see his Infiniti parked here on Fairmount Park's Parkside Boulevard right there. He shot into this driver's window to try and shoot and kill the guy that had the rifle on him to steal the Infiniti in the first place. And then the other gentleman, just about 10 days ago, parking his car on Folsom Street to care for a man who's bound in a wheelchair that he cares for on a nightly basis. He can't even get out of the car before he starts shooting through his window from the driver's seat, shooting an 18-year-old. And we just saw that 18-year-old and a second 18-year-old both charged by the district attorney with the attempted carjacking in this case as well. So that explains maybe why so many people are getting guns and getting legal permits to carry them and training at gun centers on how to shoot them pretty accurately. And so Kelly Rule, our reporter covering the district attorney's news conference yesterday, asked him, hey, what are your thoughts on people starting to fight back?
The law is very clear that under proper circumstances you can defend yourself, including, if necessary, in order to protect your life using great force or deadly force. The law is clear there. The law is also clear on who can carry a firearm and when and how. The requirements include a permit to carry, not having certain kinds of convictions in the past, being of a certain age, etc. Right? So there is a lawful place for people to carry a firearm under proper circumstances and in the right way. And there are rare circumstances, but circumstances in which it is legal to use that firearm. You know, I am someone who would love to see fewer firearms on American streets and Philadelphia streets, but that doesn't take away the reality that our law is clear, that people who are permitted to carry firearms and do so in a way that's in compliance with the law are also permitted to defend themselves when their lives are in danger.
Well, Pennsylvania State Police tell us in the last quarter, October, November, and December, they hit an all-time high for people applying for permits to buy a gun. And Alex, Mike, we're talking about people not being able to find chicken at grocery stores and things like that because of the supply situation. Well, gun shop owners in Pennsylvania say they can't keep ammo stocked because so many people are buying that. And I guess that's a kind of a commentary on our situation right now, not only in this state or in this city, but in this nation right now, with people either panicked about what's going on in the real world, panicked because they think the laws are going to change and they won't be able to buy a gun one day, or just fed up with being a victim or a potential victim or a future victim, and they want to make sure that they're armed if somebody is going to be armed going at them where they're trying to make a living, like somebody delivering a pizza for a living.
That's what it's come to. Shortage of ammo now. All right, Steve, 6:40.
Well, happening